so here's my hair all like kind of brushed out. So this is what it looks like. Say goodbye, you guys. Say goodbye to the blonde hair. Okay, so in this Garnier Olia kit, let's open it up. Actually, it looks like it is opened already. So it comes with instruction leaflet. It has a bottle where you mix everything in. So this is the developer cream. It has a number on there, it says number 1. It has the after color care. Okay, so number 3. So this is, I guess, I put on after I color the hair. It has some protective gloves. And the last thing is the color and cream number 2. It says it has a new opening. This new opening here. Cool. Okay, so in the leaflet it says place a towel around your shoulders. I might have it on a really old black top here, so I don't mind if it gets any dye on it. It says push the bottle into the back of the box. Oh, okay, I don't know if you see on the box here. You can open this little bit and then you can take this bottle and you can stick it in there. Oh, cool. So I'm just gonna take the lid off. And then it says open the color and cream tube and remove the plastic ring, then close and open again. Inside is sealed, so it's sealed in there. So I guess this plastic ring protects it. So then it says, then close, and then you kind of hear it piercing that seal. Then close and open again. Yep, I see the cream in there. Then it says put the entire contents of the developer cream first and then the colored cream into the Olia bottle. Okay, so first you need to put the developer cream first. That's not sealed. hair. Option 2 is if your hair has recently been colored with a similar shade, or if you want to touch up the roots. So option 2 is basically just like a roots. So it says to apply to your roots first. So option 2, if you're doing a touch up, just apply to your roots first and then massage the rest of the product through your hair. So you do your roots first and let that develop for 20 minutes, and then you move on to the rest of your hair, massaging the product in the rest of your hair, and then just leave that on for 20 minutes, so 30 minutes altogether, for 10 minutes, so 30 minutes altogether. Whereas with your whole hair, it says keep on your gloves and apply the product immediately to dry, unwashed hair. So yeah, this is dry, unwashed hair. I last styled my hair like the last time I bleached it, which was a week ago. If you have a lot of grays, ensure that you start from the front. Otherwise, apply the product from the roots, section by section, as small as possible. And then using the remaining product, apply it to the lengths and ends. Rub product into your hair to ensure even coverage, and then massage your product through your hair and leave to develop for 30 minutes. Cool. Let's get on with the application. One big section on here, and then I've got 2 sections here, and I'm just going to start in the back. So the dye is all on. This is what it looks like in my hair. It's been on for about 10 minutes already. I've just been like cleaning and tidying up. I would say there's a really good amount of product in the bottle, but if you have any more hair than I do, then you definitely need like 2 bottles for sure. But there's definitely a good amount of product in the bottles, that in the one box, so that's good. So yeah, I'll be back after 20 minutes to show you guys the big reveal. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Hey guys, so yeah, here's the final hair update. This is the final color that it came out. I'm so happy with the color. I think it looks really good. It's growing on me and I really do like it. So yeah, this is the final color. I just thought I'd come on and show you guys what it looks like now. You can see like the top is still quite light. I think possibly the hair was just like too damaged to take the color, so that didn't really take color well, but the underneath bits, everywhere else, my roots, they look amazing. Yeah, I'm really happy with the color. I hope you guys like it. Leave me a comment down below to let me know if you like this color. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. If you guys want to know anything, then yeah, leave me a comment down below, ask me any questions. And I'm not an expert by any means, I'm not a hairdresser, so I'll just try and answer the questions to the best of my knowledge and my experience from the process that I went through. Yeah, so that's the answers I can give you, so it's definitely not based on any expert knowledge at all. But yeah, if you want to know any other questions, then definitely leave me a comment down below and ask me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.